Welcome back. Let's shift focus now to platinum. The prices are hovering around $1,000 an ounce. The jewelry segment accounts for 23 to 30% of the total annual platinum demand. Joining us now to discuss the outlook on platinum is Vaishali Banerjee, MD Platinum Guild International. Thank you so much, Vaishali, for joining us. And even as the gold prices hit all-time highs, is that really helping platinum? Because the prices are quite on the lower side in comparison. It hasn't been very great month, the month of September, for various buyers. But do you think for platinum, this quarter could really be better?
Platinum, but the price differential is a real boost to demand, and we are seeing that play out. Q3 for us has not been bad at all. We've seen a plus 15%, so it's been a strong quarter. Q4, our expectations are also good, maybe similar in the similar range. This is in terms of retail. So I think we're looking forward to a strong quarter, and let's see how it plays out.
The all-time high gold prices actually have helped platinum as a jewelry go higher. But keeping gold aside, how has the penetration for platinum been for the Indian market until now?
So penetration is actually growing. Okay, so we started as you might know, we started with metro markets and tier one. Now, if I look at distribution, around 60% is still in metros and tier one, but 30% has moved into tier two. Now 10% of our distribution has also gone into tier three cities. So I think that is showing the adoption rate for platinum. We are close to about 2,000 doors now that are looking at platinum. So that I think we added around 200 to 250 new doors this year. So I think the adoption is going hand in hand with the penetration.
So how is the overall festival season looking like to you? What are the partner tie-ups that you're looking at? As you said, 2,000 doors is what you're into right now, but which categories do you see growing?
For us, all three categories are growing, whether it's the rings, which is actually the largest penetration, is on the back of the love bands category, which is your commitment rings. So those are, that's a very, very, very strong segment for us. Women's jewelry is also growing because it's a very young segment. And of course, we are predominantly a women's jewelry market. For us, the fastest growing segment is the men's segment. It is the branded segment that we had launched in 2019, and we're seeing a lot of interest behind that. For this season, we have partnered with Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and we've got a very unique collaboration in place where we've got a signed edition in terms of product. So his signature is there on the piece of jewelry. So it is really a collection that we're very, very excited about, because it really is an honor to collaborate and associate with him. And we are seeing a lot of interest within all our partners to keep this range. And in fact, our entire season's campaign for it has already just begun.
All right. I'm trying to think if MS Dhoni wears a lot of jewelry, Vaishali, but why MS Dhoni, if I may ask?
I think it's about it's a question of aligning values, Manisha, because if you look at it, the Men of Platinum as a brand has always defined success. It has defined who it is based on values. And the values are completely aligned to MS Dhoni, whether you talk about resilience, authenticity, leadership, empathy, all that we think defines character. And that's what the brand is about. That's what MS Dhoni is about. And therefore, we thought it was a perfect kind of collaboration because one talks to the other.
All right. When it comes to the Indian markets then, Vaishali, are you also looking to introduce more products as we go ahead in India, especially during these festivities?
Absolutely. I think we're a very young category in such evolved, mature jewelry market. So we always look at opportunities and we see what is it that platinum can own in this vast arena of jewelry. And I think there's many, many more opportunities out there.
Thank you so much for that, Vaishali. That was all about the platinum opportunity in the Indian markets during these festivities.